Hiya, I'm the RC Hunter. Welcome to my channel. And today I've installed some more upgrades to my FTX Canyon 4x4 Land Rover. So far on upgrades, I've installed the FPV Firefly camera, which is awesome. You've actually seen some footage on that on my channel and you said it's really good, which thank you very much. Super enjoyed it. I've also installed the gyro system, which is totally, honestly, so much better with the gyro. So the next modification what I did, which I'm so excited about, is this. Let me just turn her on. Oh man, this is so cool. You might not hear me, but it's so loud. So let me just turn her off so you can hear me, because it is so loud. So there we are, that's all the upgrades what I've done so far. The next upgrade is that I bought some Swamp Bashers tyres. So that'll give it extra grip, more softer tyre. These tyres are awesome, but the Swamp Bashers are really cool. So I'll be putting the Swamp Bashers on when they come, maybe end of this week I hope. And we'll just keep upgrading her and see what she's like. But that engine sound is so awesome. It's wicked, really is. So if you like the engine sound mod what I've done, leave a comment in the section below, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.